Hello guys, welcome to Ewaleifoh Family TV. We are back again with another video. Guess what guys? In today's video, it's weekend again, so I will be cooking. And I say, why not guys? Why can't I take you guys along with me? So today guys, I will be making assorted meat pepper soup, assorted meat stew, sorry. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Guys, here I have red pepper, which is sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, the neighbor disturber, that is my favorite onion. In here I have curry powder, I have season to taste. Here guys, I got stock fish and I got fried fish. I got some plantain and I also got oil guys. So guys, yes, this is this protein guys. This is the assorted meat. In here I got cow leg, shaki, beef and ring, and this is the star of the dish, the tomatoes. So guys, let me show you guys once again. Here I have tomatoes, I got beef. In here I got, this is the protein, I got beef, cow leg, ring and shaki. Guys, here I forgot to show you guys this one before. I got some tomato paste, onion, the neighbor disturber, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, season, and stockfish and smoked fried mackerel fish. And I also got plantain guys. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started right away by blending the onion and the sweet pepper. Hey you guys, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, we are beautiful. For my subscriber, oh, who am I without you guys? Thank you so much and God bless you. For my viewer, God bless you double. For you that haven't subscribed, I know you. God bless you so much. Remember, I'm watching you my plasma TV. I know you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. Join this beautiful family. Guys, so let's get started. For the ladies out there, do not forget to tell a sister, to support a sister. I love you guys so much. Love us back. So guys, I have the oil on the pan right now. So guys, I have blended to make the onion and the sweet pepper and the tomato paste together. So guys, at this point I will be adding the onion to the pan. Guys, I've added the onion. I have to let it steam for a while. Guys, our rice is here. I have to parboil before washing. Guys, I forgot to show you guys, I will be cooking mice too. So there will be mice, I will cook mice too. So guys, first wait for like 2-3 minutes for the onions to be steamed. Guys, the onion is steamed enough. So guys, at this point I will be adding our blended onion, scotch bonnet pepper and sweet pepper. That is what I just added. So we have to let it cook for like some minutes before we add the other end. So guys, please join me and watch to the end. Guys, so I've steamed up already. So guys, I will be adding the tomatoes now. Adding the tomatoes. Guys, look at that. Our rice, I've washed it already and it's cooking. Guys, look at what we have there. It's smoky dough. It's nice. We had this lady preserve it. Guys, when it's seasoned up, I always keep them in the freezer. It's so fresh, and it's going to look so yummy and satisfying as well. So guys, let's add the tomatoes. Guys, I've added the tomatoes and the stock fish. So guys, at this point I will be adding our meat, our protein. You can use any protein of your choice, but in today's video guys, I'm using cow leg, shaki ring and beef. Guys, time to add the beef, add the protein. Guys, look at that. I've added the protein. So guys, we have to let it cook on a very low heat. We have to let it cook on a low heat. Look at that guys, our rice is bubbling, our maize is cooking as well. So guys, at this point I have to prepare to fry the plantain. I will let the stew cook for a while before I will add the fried fish. It's time to prepare the plantain. Guys, take a selfie. Guys, look at that. The stew is almost ready guys, but I will still leave it to cook. Guys, at this point I will be adding our fried fish, season and some curry powder. Guys, look at that. It's assorted meat stew. This is weekend cooking. Guys, my weekend is always busy. I told you guys before. Guys, our maize is cooking as well. The rice is almost done. The rice is done. Let me just let it dry up. Guys, the plantain. So guys, let me add the fish, Maggi, which is season, and the curry powder. Guys, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Guys, look at that. Our plantain is there, frying already. See that? Guys, the rice is fetish according to Deutschland. Fetish makes the rice. And guys, our maize is bubbling. See that? For all you lovers of maize, come and take maize. Guys, I preserved them. I have much in my deep freezer. I have much. If you see that, I have much maize to eat till the new fresh maize is out. The sweet corn. Guys, look at our stew. And the stew is almost done. Guys, I have to cook on a very low heat. As you see that. Guys, when the food stew is perfectly fine now, you will see all the oil that I used to cook the stew will pop up. Then we know that the stew is perfectly fine. Guys, I have to cover because the way the thing is bubbling, it's really hard. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, support me, join this beautiful family, guys. Guys, we're almost done. See that? The plantain is almost ready, guys. Guys, look at the stew. The stew is perfectly fine now, guys. Just for me to wait for like 10 minutes and the stew will be fine. The stew will be good to go, guys. Guys, take a selfie, guys. Guys, look at what that. Look at that. Did you just see that? Guys, take a selfie. Did you see that? So guys, I have to take out the plantain now. Guys, take a selfie. Take a selfie, guys. Guys, we are done here. I'm done. I'm so done, guys, but it's not really easy. But guys, I have to do it. Yes, I have to do it with a very big family like this. You have to do it, because if you don't do it, nobody will do it. And moreover, I don't like my children eating junk food. That is why I'm always cooking, because the junk food, I don't know what they used to make it. So guys, in this assorted meat stew, we have fish, we have cow leg. Guys, look at that. We have shaki and we have beef. Guys, did you see how the oil pop up? That was what I was talking about. And guys, we have rice and we have fried plantain. We have fried plantain. So guys, did you just see that? Everything is perfectly fine. And we have maize. Guys, look at that. What do we need now? We need coconuts or pear. Guys, and I will still do it. So guys, at this juncture, I have to prepare the salad for the kids because they love salad so much, but I will do that off camera. I will do that off camera. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification button, so when next I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, remember to take a selfie and remember to stay safe. And guys, I forgot to ask you people, how is the weather in your side? Guys, could you imagine in April it's snowing here in Deutschland, in Germany. It's snowing, guys. I don't know if we should call it a blessing or if we should call it what, I don't know. It's supposed to be springtime, but it's snowing, guys. It's terrible. The weather is terrible outside. Snowing every day. Every day for like 3 to 4 days now. It's snowing. So guys, bye bye. Take a selfie and stay blessed. Bye bye. Choose.